Why file organization matters in Google Drive.
Efficient file organization saves time, reduces stress, and prevents lost documents. In Google Drive, a clear structure makes it easy to find what you need, to collaborate with others, and back up important data. Whether for personal, school, or work needs, good organization turns Google Drive into a powerful tool instead of a virtual junk drawer.
Creating a logical folder structure.
Start by grouping files into main categories such as work, school, or personal. Inside each, create folders for specific projects, subjects, or years. This tree-like structure ensures you always know where to search. Avoid dumping new files into the main Drive area. Put them in their correct folder right away for best results.
Naming conventions for clarity.
Clear file and folder names speed up searches and help identify content at a glance. Use consistent formats like project name, type, date, or subject, topic. Avoid vague names like Document 1. Instead, use labels that make sense without opening the file. Consistency is key for both individual use and team collaboration.
Using colors and stars for quick access.
Color coding folders in Google Drive highlights important categories or projects. Right-click a folder to assign a color, making frequent folders visually stand out. Additionally, starring critical files or folders keeps them easily accessible from the starred section, so you can find your most important documents in seconds.
Leveraging search and filters.
Google Drive search is powerful when used with filters. You can search by file type, owner, or date modified. Using filters and keywords cuts down search time, especially in large drives. Combine good search skills with structured folders for the fastest, most reliable way to locate any file.
Maintaining your Google Drive regularly.
Set aside time each month to review, archive, or delete unnecessary files. Periodic cleanups prevent clutter and ensure your system stays efficient. Archived files can be moved to separate folders so your active workspace remains clear. Regular upkeep is the secret to long-term Drive organization success.